Hey guys! In today's video, I'm gonna share the making of my last Christmas card of the year, a paper quilling Christmas tree made out of leftovers from previous projects. So come along and watch it come together. Now let's get started. I painted the base of my card with watercolors, but you can also do this using markers, colored pencils, or even make the tree by cutting it out of a separate green paper. I decided to first make a garland for the tree, though this was not my initial plan. So I used my crimper tool to make the garland curly and give it a more decorative feel. This was all trial and error. I didn't really know if in the end I would actually like it, but I just decided to do it even if I had a slight bit of anxiousness about it. But I guess every new challenge comes with a bit of a struggle and inner debate. In the end, I really liked it and I'm happy with how things turned out. I hope this video inspires you not to throw away your art leftovers, but to use them to create a unique and fun art piece. There's really something different and cheery and special about these artworks made out of all types of leftovers. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you're now ready to go and use your own leftovers to create unique art. So take up the challenge and see what special artworks you can put together. Wishing you a happy time quilling, crafting, painting, or whatever other art-related hobby you're doing. And have a happy holiday season. See you next time!